Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this TypeScript video tutorial we will see that how we can install it. So this is our second video, and I will tell you that how we can install in the Windows as well as in the Linux or Ubuntu system. So first of all, let's discuss about the Windows system. We have to just go on this link and we have to download the node, because for the TypeScript we must have to install the node. All right, so let's go on this link. Then we just have to install the window installer, and after just clicking on it, it will just install your setup, and you can just easily start with your Node.js. After that, we just have to check that node -v, and it will tell you that node is installed, as well as npm -v, and it will tell you that npm is also installed. Both things will be installed with the single setup. All right, and this is the way that how we can download the node and npm in the Windows. But if you are using the Linux system, then you have to just run these three commands and your node and npm will be installed. If you're still facing any issue, then just go on this link. There is a awesome link. Everything, if you are stuck, everything, if you have error, then this link will resolve your problem, and this link will be given in the description box. So this is the how we can just install the node and npm. Now let's jump on the TypeScript. After just installing the node, we have to install the TypeScript. For that, you just have to run a single command. Just clear everything and just run here npm install -g and TypeScript. All right, and keep in mind, if you are using Ubuntu or Mac system, then you must have to use sudo. Otherwise you don't need to put here sudo in a Windows system. All right, and here you can see that this is just installed here. And now just you want to check that this is the TypeScript is installed or not. For that, you just have to write here tsc -v or -v, you can see that. And this is the latest version 3.9.5, which is installed in our system. So this is a very simple way to install the node and TS or TypeScript in our Windows as well as Ubuntu. If you still have any kind of problem, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.